wait to go out. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul, a collective haul kind of. It's not really much that I collected, but I just wanted to show you guys because hey, why not? I know that I have not done a haul on here in a little time, so I just wanted to show you guys a couple of pieces that I was really feeling lately and that I have in my closet, that I recently added in my closet, and I just felt like I wanted to show it to you guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Fantasy. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, the whole 9 yards, and I hope that by the end of this video you decide to join the Fantasy family. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. We are like 50 subscribers away from 4K. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, can you tell? I'm excited. I love it. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. I don't want to drag it on for too long, but make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not. If you come to my videos all the time and you find yourself like watching your girl, just hit the notification bell, hit the subscription box, and leave a comment down below on what you want to see. Boom, let's get into it. So the first one is this set that I got from a brand called Coucoo. It is on IG. It's by a Instagram model, Instagram girl, influencer that I have been following for years, and she came out with her own line, and this piece just really spoke out to me. I know it's long sleeve, it's not really for the summer, but I was like, I had to have it because you can wear it like late night, or you can wear it even for like a brunch, like a cool brunch day, like kind of like 70 degrees ish or something like that. It's just such a vibe. Like, I love it. It just looks so freaking cute. I feel like it is very flattering for any body type. I love like the little like flap that it has here. You know, so if you want to hide anything, you can. You don't really have to tuck in your stomach. It still makes it look like, you know, very flat, plush, really cute. I love this like cutout opening that it has here and like the separated buttons. Like, I've just never seen a set that looks like this. The pants are high-waisted and it is a very, very good fit. So yeah, it is pretty long as well, so you're able to like wear heels if you wanted to. I'm hoping that you guys are able to see what I'm looking at because it really is a vibe. I'm hoping that you guys are able to see what I see, and you know, everything is looking copacetic because I don't know. But yes, so this is how the first piece looks. I really, really like this. Is like one of my favorite pieces. I'm hoping that I'm able to wear this somewhere because perfection. I'm literally going to buy so much more stuff from her because the quality is superb. Her packaging is so freaking cute. Like, I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. If you guys want to know my stats, to no reference, I am 24, I think. 34, 27, 42, 41 now at this point because I did lose a little weight. I look a little smaller if you guys don't notice. But like 20, 40, maybe 41. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's the first piece. The price points, I will leave in the video because I don't know it right now off the top of my head, but I'll leave it if I have it. Some of these pieces are a little old, so if they're sold out, I apologize, but just keep an eye out for it because a lot of them do come back in stock. So let's get to the next piece. The next item that we have is this Maniere Devoir. I think that's how you say it. I'm not 100% sure. I know I'm wearing it a little weird, but I just want to show you guys that these sleeves are actually detachable. So it is detachable sleeves. So you don't have to wear it with sleeves. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it like so. I love that option because I feel like it gives you 2 dresses in one. Yeah, I'm feeling it. It is a little bit see-through. Like, it has parts that are see-through. Like, hold on, let me fix this. So this part right here is see-through right here. The top is obviously see-through. It is netted, so you can see right through it. But it is a really, really cute dress. I love the color. It would fit in season. I feel like even with sleeves, you can still wear it. Like, you don't have to keep the buttons attached to this little string. You can literally take it off. I didn't want to do that because there we go. So you can just take off the string and it'll just be on just like this. It doesn't have to stay attached like this. That's just so you don't lose your sleeves. I never thought that I would ever see that a day in my life, but here we are. So that is how this looks. I love this piece. It's so freaking cute. I need to find a place to wear it and really take some really cute pictures. Like, it is a vibe. Wear it with like a high pony, you know what I mean? This is how the back looks. Really, really cute. And then it has like the nice little like netting right here, and then it has like a Maniere Devoir. I don't know how to pronounce this. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but this is how it looks. Like I said, price points I'll leave it in the video. I don't know it off the top of my head, but you'll see it here. But yeah, definitely a piece that I would definitely wear to brunch, wear out for girls' night out. Like, it's a day night type of fit without the sleeves. Definitely a day fit. With the sleeves, a night fit, because it just does it. It's the sleeves for me. Okay, next piece. Now this dress is definitely not a summer dress. Got my nipples looking lopsided, but whatever. This dress is definitely not, I gotta fix this. This dress is definitely not a summer dress. It's definitely one of those like winter, fall, night out dresses. But like I said, I did have some of these items for some time that I recently added into my collection, but I believe this was from last season. I actually believe this is actually on sale. I believe the other dress is from last season too. This is from Maniere Devoir. Again, like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the name. It is what it is, but it is such a cute piece. It is different. I feel like it's not doing too much, but it is doing just enough. Even like the wrist parts of it, it has like this nice detailing. Like, these things I haven't seen in dresses. The like symmetrical, whatever, the side zipper situation that's going on, it just adds like just the right type of detailing into a simple dress, but still gives some type of like pizzazz. So I'm really, really feeling that. The back is very simple. It's literally nothing to it. So the high neck is the reason, and the long sleeves is definitely not so much like a summer, like a hot summer day. I would definitely wear this for nighttime. I would definitely wear this like even like fall is coming up, because you know August has somewhere to be. So fall is coming up, so I would definitely wear this for like a fall night out. The nights are getting cooler as well. It's getting down to like about the 70s and 72s. This is very comfortable to wear in like about that type of weather, because there's no sun out, so the 72s feels a little bit less than that. But this is how she is looking. Okay, so the next outfit that we have is from Prettylittlething. This is a two-piece set. It is a cute like floral pink with touch hints of yellow two-piece set with like a crop top, like button-down crop top type of situation. Short at the top, longer at the bottom, long sleeve, very light and airy, kind of has balloon sleeves going on. I really, really am feeling this piece. Like, wear this with like just do it like as an all pink number. Pink heels, pink bag. Like, this is such a fit. Like, I've really been into like shorts lately too. The shorts don't have any pockets. That's the only thing I wish it did have, because that would have been a very cute like pink pocket in, the thumb out. Feel me? This is how the back is looking. You know, not really much to it, but it's a really, really cute piece. Definitely something that I will wear on like a brunch day out with my girls, lunch with my man. I'm really feeling this. So even on vacation, this is definitely a piece. The links to all of these items will be down below, so don't forget that. So next outfit. Okay, so the next item is this jumpsuit from Prettylittlething. I so freaking love this piece. Like, oh my god, like I don't know what I was expecting when I bought it. Like, I don't think I was expecting for me to really like feel it the way I'm feeling it, but like, just imagine, y'all, a top knot, some heels, a cute bag. Like, this is it. The only thing that's not it is the damn zipper. Y'all see the zipper? Like, it like broke basically on me, and it fits. Like, I have space. So, but it was already kind of like finicky even when I was unzipping it to put it on. It was acting a little weird, but this is how the back looks. I don't really wear jumpsuits that often, but this is definitely a jumpsuit that I will wear. I'm going to get the zipper fixed, and I'm going to wear this because this is so freaking spanking cute. Definitely, I'll wear this for brunch. Once again, I'll wear this on a night out. I'll wear this like just strolling the town. Like, this is so freaking cute. I really didn't expect it to look like this. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but this, speechless. It's so simple. It's like a, I don't know, like maybe like a sage green. It's so simple, but yet it gets the job done. It has pockets, okay? So I'm really, really feeling that. Like, it's simplistic, and it's just, it does it. That's it. That's all I gotta say. It has these like corset sides. If I could just get this off my body or fit it properly on my body so I can really see how it fit, because I know that it would fit so much better than this. Once I get this zipper fixed, I'm gonna bring it to the tailor. But look at this. Oh gosh, this is a fit. I cannot wait to go out. I have not gone out in so long, and I just can't wait to go out. Like this, I'm really excited about. Mommy, please, can I call you back? I'm doing the video. Alright, so the next thing that I have is this two-piece set, once again from Prettylittlething. This is the next and final piece. It is a really simple, like linen style middle knot two-piece set. It is actually very, very light. Like it's not like cotton or cloth or whatever. Linen? It's not linen. It's more like polyester, or maybe not polyester. I don't know. But it's very light and airy. Like I don't feel like I would sweat in this. Like it feels like air can literally easily go through this. It's very, very flowy. I expected a different material than this. So I'm actually pretty pleased with this. It does have belt loops if you want to add a belt. I wouldn't. Pretty see-through, like slightly see-through. Like not too much. Like I'm wearing blue panties, you can't really tell, but it's a really, really nice piece. I definitely would wear this once again to like a brunch or something, like someplace where I'm not like partying or sweating, like just kind of going out to eat a lunch or something like that. It's really, really, I don't know why I feel like it's lopsided. The top is a little bit big for me because I thought that it was going to be linen, like I said before, and I was like, linen has no stretch and my boobs are bigger than they were before, so I know that 4 may be too tight, and I just didn't want to like it be, I didn't want it to be uncomfortable and then get like a nip slip. But I got a size 4, but you could definitely get, I mean I got a size 6, but you could definitely get a size 4 in this top. I might have to go and get this taken in, or I could just wear it like as such, like a very loose fitting top. This is definitely a number right here. Like it's looking like business for party. Okay, I'm really, really feeling this. Yeah, let's go on to the next piece. Now this next piece is from Zara. We are in our Zara realm. I tried this on. I saw it on the mannequin and I didn't really think that it was much. I really like the color and I like the lace detailing that I had here and the little corset detailing, but I didn't think that it was gonna like do anything. But this is one of those pieces that you will sleep on it when you see it in store. I did a reel of like how it looks on the hanger versus on me, and like this was one of those pieces that when I put it on me I was like, wow, it actually is really, really nice. It's very simplistic, but like it really is like a really cute piece. I would definitely wear this for like a date night for sure, but it can also go for a day party because it is a day party or like a brunch, because it is very light, it's summery. The color is not too warm, it's not too cool, it's like right in the middle. It has enough like, you know, air in it. And I love that the back parts, like the part that is around the areas where you sweat the most, has the lacing, because then that just means that you won't really see that much sweat if you were to sweat in something like this. I love where it ends at. It's right at the bottom of your calf, so it look really, really cute with some heels, a nice cute bag. This is it. Like this is it for me. Like these pieces have just been doing what they need to do. I got this in a size, a size medium. This is a medium right now. You guys know, if you don't know, Zara's sizes are European sizes, so you always have to go up a size. Fun fact, I used to work in Zara, so trust me, I know. They do go in European sizes, so if you are usually a small, but if you're hippie and you're not that tiny, I would definitely recommend for you to get a medium, because things that don't have stretch, you need to get it. But yeah, this is, look at it, so cute. Yo, I can't wait to wear this. So this is the next piece. It is a two-piece paisley print silk top and bottom. The pants stop right above the ankle, and it has like this tie, like keyhole situation going on the sides. I really, really love that. It has a drawstring waist, so you can really pull this in tighter. Not really much to it. It also has like these gold chains. Let me show you. It has these gold chains around the shoulders, like really, really cute. Like it's not too much that's going on. I definitely would feel, I feel like this is kind of giving like Ibiza. It's giving Ibiza. How do they say it? They say like Ibiza or something like that. I don't know. But let me fix my hair. Let me fix my hair. yeah, that's how this looks. When I bought it, I definitely did not try this one on, but it is really cute. I feel like once again I'll wear this for a brunch. It's definitely something that I'll wear for brunch. It is a really cute number. This is how the back looks. It does not have any zippers as far as the top goes. It just has elastic right here. So that's how it is. Please excuse the top that I left on the floor. But yeah, that's how this one is looking. Okay, so the next one that we have is this two-piece set, once again, from Zara. I just love this set. It's definitely giving like on a resort somewhere, on a yacht. Like that's what this is giving. I bought this mainly just for vacation. You can definitely wear this in the summer days of New York as well with some heels. I just am really loving these pieces. Like Zara's collection lately has just been a vibe. The top is naturally not worn like this. I'm the one that's wearing it like this. The top is actually a button down, but I just feel like this doesn't give me anything. This gives me granny. Now this gives me summer outfit, okay? Whether you wear it like this, but I feel like this is too much ties going on. So all I did was just tie it, twist, and then tuck them under like this. And now it just gives like a very cute piece. I just have one button right here, not too much hanging. It really does like amplify the outfit a little bit more. The skirt has like beadings along the sides, and then the top has these really cute green, emerald green jewels along the collar. And yeah, it's not really much that goes into it. It's not really much to explain. Let me show you guys the back. Not much about it. This is pretty much it. That's really all that it is. I think, if I am not mistaken, this is the last piece. OMG. Let's get to the end. Alright guys, so that is the end of my haul video, my collective haul. I hope that you guys enjoy the pieces that I picked out. I hope that you want to pick up a piece or two for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs it up. If you guys want more haul videos from me or want to see more of my hauls, check out the link down below. I made a playlist of all of my haul videos on my channel for you guys to get more fashion suggestions from me. And yeah, I try on these clothes so you don't have to. Okay, or if you want to get it, if you've been thinking about it and you just want to see how it looks, this is how it looks on me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty